Onboarding global employees can be a complicated and time-consuming process, but with Deel, it doesn't have to be. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to onboard global employees effortlessly using Deel, the ultimate platform for managing international teams and contractors. Whether you're hiring someone from across the globe or setting up a new branch in another country, Deel has everything you need to streamline your processes and ensure compliance with local laws. First off, Deel is designed to handle all aspects of global hiring, from payroll and contracts to tax compliance and benefits. If you're new to Deel, you're in for a treat because it simplifies what would normally be a very complicated process. Once you sign up, you can start creating contracts in seconds, choosing from over 150 countries. Deel will automatically generate a contract that complies with local labor laws and regulations, saving you hours of legal work. Next, Deel helps you set up your employees on a seamless payroll system. After the contract is signed, Deel takes care of paying your global employees. You can pay them in their local currency, and Deel handles all the tax deductions and filings. The platform makes sure everything is compliant with both local and international laws, so you can rest easy knowing you're staying on top of the complex rules and regulations of global payroll. Another huge benefit of Deel is that it's all digital. Your employees can sign contracts electronically and set up direct deposit for their pay. Deel also integrates with popular tools like Slack, Google Calendar, and more, so your employees can access everything they need from one easy-to-use platform. Now let's talk about managing benefits and other essential HR functions. Deel offers a variety of customizable benefit options for your global team, whether it's healthcare, paid time off, or retirement plans. Deel gives you the flexibility to choose benefits based on the country or region your employees are located in, ensuring that everyone gets the right coverage. What's amazing about Deel is that it doesn't just help you manage employees, it also helps you grow your team globally. Deel has an exclusive network of global partners, so you can easily find contractors and employees from all around the world. With Deel, you can access talent pools in over 150 countries, so whether you're looking to hire developers in Eastern Europe or marketers in Asia, Deel makes it simple. And here's a little secret for you. If you're wondering how you can try Deel without any risk, you're in luck. You can get access to Deel completely free by using the exclusive link in the description below. That's right, you can start onboarding global employees today and enjoy an extended free trial. It's a great way to experience the full range of features Deel offers without any upfront commitment. By now, you should have a good sense of how Deel can help you onboard global employees with ease, but I want to stress the importance of using the right tools. Deel makes everything easier and more efficient, especially for companies expanding internationally or those working with contractors from around the world. As we wrap up, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial by clicking the link in the description below. Whether you're hiring one person or building a global team, Deel has the tools you need to make it all happen.